Hello everyone, good morning, welcome to the family, and we shall be starting a topic called the matrix from class 10, and the syllabus for class 10 is 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 is equals to 9. So there will be one question of 1 marks, two question of 2 marks, and a long question consists of the 4 marks. So that is the syllabus of the chapter called matrix. Now let's start from the first topic. The first topic that you need to understand is the matrix multiplication. Before you understand what is matrix multiplication and हामीले कसरी matrix multiplication गर्ने भन्दाखेरि फर्स्ट तपाईले चाहिँ you need to understand the order of a matrix. Order of a matrix भनेको चाहिँ but the number of rows followed by the number of columns is called order of a matrix. Number of rows and followed by the number of columns. That means to say that this is called the horizontal line, HORIZONTAL, horizontal line, and this horizontal lines are called, if the number are arranged in a horizontally, if the number are arranged in a horizontal way, they are called the rows, and when the number are arranged in a vertical way like this, यसरी चाहिँ arrange भयो भने चाहिँ VERTI vertical way मा भयो भने चाहिँ त्यसलाई चाहिँ columns भन्छ. For example, जस्तै 1 2 3 यसरी arrange भयो भने they are arranged in a horizontal way. They are arranged in a 1 2 and 3. यिनीहरु चाहिँ एउटा straight line मा यसरी छ नि त. So they are in a horizontal way भनेपछि त्यसलाई चाहिँ rows भन्छ. In the same way, if the number are arranged in a vertical way like this, माथिदेखि तलसम्म 1 2 3 4 हो यसरी नम्बरहरुलाई arrange गर्यो भने चाहिँ यसलाई चाहिँ column भन्छ. अब order of a matrix भनेको चाहिँ के? Order of a matrix भनेको चाहिँ number of rows followed by the number of column. Number of rows followed by the number of columns. Now let's check it out, the few example over there. So this line is called the horizontal line, and horizontal line are called rows, and this is called a vertical line over this side. So this is called the columns. Now next is, let's check it out, the example first. A 1 2 3 and 4. Now this line is called horizontal line. This is called first R1, and this line is called the second. So this is called R2. Now let's talk about the vertical line. Now how many vertical line are there? So this is 1, this will be C1, and this is second. So what is the order of the matrix? Order of the matrix will be rows followed by columns. So how many rows are there? 2 rows. And how many columns are there? 2 columns. So the order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Now in the same way, let's check it out this one. So this is called the horizontal line. Horizontal are called rows. So we can write R1, and this is called the second horizontal line. So it is called R2. Now in the same way, let's check out how many vertical lines are there. So this is called one vertical line. So it is called C1, column 1, and this is C2, then this is C3. So what is the order of the matrix? Order of matrix will be rows followed by columns. So how many rows are there? 1 2 rows. And how many columns are there? 1 2 and 3. So what is the order of this matrix? 2 by 3. The order of this matrix is 2 by 3. So this is first. In order to understand matrix multiplication, you need to understand the order of the matrix. So I hope this you understood. Now let's talk about the second topic. Now the second topic says that the matrix multiplication. Now the matrix multiplication, there are key points that you need to understand. The first key point that you need to understand is the matrix multiplication kaile possible huncha ta. Every time the matrix multiplication is not possible. Look at the first point says matrix multiplication is possible when the column of first matrix is equals to the rows of second matrix. The order of let's take out, this is a matrix A, which is order of m multiplied by n. So followed by, so B isko chahi np. So what is the order of the matrix? Rows followed by column. So how many columns are there? N number of columns are there. यसमा चाहिँ कतिवटा number of rows छ? N number of rows. अब हेर्नुस् त, फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स को कलम र सेकेन्ड मैट्रिक्स को रोहरु चाहिँ इक्वल भयो भने मात्रै order of the matrix multiplication possible हुन्छ. Now the second thing that you need to understand is the अब रिजल्टेन्ट म्याट्रिक्सको चाहिँ अर्डर के हुन्छ त भनेको छ त्यो रिजल्टेन्ट म्याट्रिक्स भनेको अब कुनै पनि म्याट्रिक्स ए छ अरे अब यो म्याट्रिक्सको चाहिँ अर्डर मानौँ कुनै पनि 1 2 3 4 छ भनेपछि यो म्याट्रिक्सको अर्डर कति हुन्छ 2/2 अब एउटा कुनै पनि म्याट्रिक्स छ बी छ भनेपछि ABCD छ अब यसको पनि अर्डर 2/2 छ भनेपछि अब हामीले ए र बी फाइन्ड गर्न सक्छौँ ए र बी फाइन्ड त गर्न सक्छौँ तर ए र बी को चाहिँ अर्डर हुन्छ नि अर्डर अफ द म्याट्रिक्स AB को अर्डर चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने चाहिँ चेक इट आउट द अर्डर अफ दिस म्याट्रिक्स विल बी the order of the resultant matrix will be have the order equal to the number of rows of first matrix and the number of column of the second matrix अब यो फर्स्ट को चाहिँ यो रोज र यो कलम र यो रोज छ हैन order of the matrix AB will be R of first matrix R भनेको R of first matrix कति छ X and C of second matrix कति छ P so the order of the resultant matrix will be X multiplied by P this is how first the order of the matrix plays an important role now the topic that we need to focus is the matrix multiplication. Let's go through the matrix multiplication. So how we're going to do the matrix multiplication is, let's consider our matrix is ABCD, which is of order 2/2, and the second matrix is there of 1 2 3 and 4, which is of order 2/2. Now A multiplied by B. How we going to find is, first यसलाई चाहिँ straight line मा गर्ने अनि यसलाई चाहिँ down मा गर्ने. यताको first element this one multiply by this one plus this one B multiply by 3. पहिला यसरी जाने अनि यसरी जाने. So the next one is again A multiply by 2 plus B multiply by 4. पहिला यसलाई गर्ने अनि first यसलाई त्यसपछि second यसलाई त्यसपछि मात्रै C र D को काम आउँछ. C र D को काम चाहिँ ढिला आउँछ है. Now C भनेको चाहिँ के छ C multiply by 1 plus D multiply by 3. अब यो यताको साइडको C multiply by 2 plus D multiply by 4. So this is how we gonna matrix multiplication is done. बुझ्नु भयो? अब एकैछिन एउटा क्वेशन गरेर हेरौँ त. खै एउटा क्वेशन गरेर हेरौँ. त्यो क्वेशन चाहिँ यस्तो छ. ओके दिस इज 1 3 2 4 अनि यसलाई चाहिँ अब यसलाई चाहिँ कसरी मल्टिप्लिकेसन गर्ने भनेपछि यहाँदेखि यसरी स्ट्रेट लाइन गर्ने अनि यहाँदेखि डाउन साइडमा गर्ने. ओके सो इट विल बी लाइक दिस one 1 multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by 6. Again this one 1 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4. Now this one 2 multiplied by 3 plus 4 multiplied by 6. Now again यो वालालाई 2 multiplied by 2 plus 4 multiplied by 4. So this is 1 into 3 is 3 plus 6 3 is 18 and if it will be 2 plus 12 and 6 plus 6 plus 6 4 is 24, then it will be 2 2 is 4 plus it will be 4 4 is 16. Now add them, so it will be 18 20 and 21, it will be 30, it will be 14 and it will be 20. So this will be the A multiplied by B. Okay, let's check it out from the first again. So how we gonna multiply these two numbers? This is A matrix and this is B matrix. The first thing that you need to check out is order of the matrix. The order of first matrix is 2/2 and the order of second matrix is 2/2. So matrix multiplication is possible. So how we gonna do it is the first element, then this element 1 multiplied by 3, then this is the second and this is the second 3 multiplied by 6. In the same way अब इसको पालो आयो 1 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4. अब यो डाउन साइड को 2 multiplied by 3 plus 4 multiplied by 6. अब यो साइडलाई हेर्ने त 2 multiplied by 2 plus 4 multiplied by 4 and त्यसपछि त normal calculation नै छ. I hope you understood this one and for the next we'll be talking in the next class. Thank you everyone.